Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So on today I felt like doing my hair, so I figured I would take you guys along with me. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I have already put in my leave-in conditioner, which is by Mielle from their Honey and Pomegranate line. I'm also going to be using this Kink drink by Soultanicals for extra moisture, as well as my favorite gel, which is the Xtreme Wetline. So I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off, and I'm just taking like small to medium sections, and I'm going to spray my hair thoroughly with this Kink drink and detangle my hair with this tool that I got from my local beauty supply store. And then I'm going to take some gel and rake that through my hair. So I'm just basically doing a wash and go. You guys have seen me do this several times on my channel, but today I wanted to add a little pizzazz to it and add some color to it. So you guys will see that later on in the video. But for those who have never seen me do a wash and go, I'm just going to kind of speed through this process. So basically, I'm just taking a small to medium sized section, spraying that Kink drink, further detangle, and then rake the gel through my hair. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair is looking once I've applied my products, and this wash and go is looking really good. I was contemplating, I was like, should I just dry my hair and call it a day before I mess up this nice wash and go? But like I said before, I wanted to just kind of jazz it up a little bit, so I wanted to use some color. So I'm going to be using these products by CurlSmith. You guys have seen me use the copper one before, and I just used it on the tips of my hair. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that in the description below. So today I'm going to take that ruby color, and as you guys can see, it is super vibrant. And right here I was contemplating, like, girl, go wash your hands and just dry your hair. But I'm just going to go ahead and rake that all over my hair. Again, when I've used these colors in the past, I normally just kind of stick with putting the color on the tips of my hair. But today I'm like, you know what, just put it all over and see how it comes out. So that is what I am doing, you guys. So it goes on pretty easily. As you guys can see here, I'm just putting some of that product on my hands and just raking it through my hair. So far I think it's pretty cute, but since I had the copper, I wanted to add a little bit of that to my hair as well. So I'm just taking small pieces of my hair and just adding little streaks of copper. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair is looking after applying the color. It is definitely giving fall trees. But I don't know, I think it's cute. It's different, it's cute. So I'm going to take my diffuser, apply my attachment, and go ahead and dry my hair. I can definitely use a sit under dry, but you guys, I get extremely hot just sitting under the dryer, so I just like to use my diffuser and then just air dry the rest of the way. So this is how my hair is looking after it is dry. And what do you guys think? Let me know what you think about this color and this style in the comments below. I definitely think a hair color products like this one from CurlSmith are great for people like me who don't want to fully commit to a color or chemically alter their hair, but just need something to jazz up their hair when they get a little bit bored. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I thank you guys so much for clicking and watching as always. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.